Hey, what's up everybody? And let's thank YouTube. Thanks YouTube for putting up the stream. I didn't mean to stream, but not putting up the stream I meant to stream because you're such a great website. You're not hot garbage, ran by garbage people who instead of making a useful website, seek to pursue a political agenda. I don't know. Maybe you could, instead of pursuing a political agenda, upload the streams that I use on your site properly. I think it's what the word's called. Stop being dumbass. My bad on leaving the thing running, but my major problem is the stream that was supposed to be today's main video, it's not on my channel, but the accidental stream, totally on my channel. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. Thanks, YouTube, for not working at all. At all. Just not even a little bit. It makes me think that you people are really trying, or not trying at all. I think you're actually not trying at all, and you're too busy trying to stop Ben Shapiro from putting up videos. You put up videos like you say you're supposed to. I'm gonna get off that. It just kind of ticked me off when the stream that was supposed to be today's mainstream didn't get uploaded, even though I streamed it directly to YouTube. And the stream that happened like 2 minutes later got uploaded to YouTube. So, yeah, about that. You might say, was it long? No. Only the partial 5-minute stream because I didn't know my cam was running for 5 minutes. And then the stream that I actually wanted to up on today's video was, it was me reading the law, but for some reason, YouTube wouldn't let me read a law live on the internet. I don't know why. Maybe it's because they're too busy not getting to those ElsaGate videos that target children. You gotta stop me from uploading law reading live streams when you're not stopping these videos targeting kids. I see you have your priorities straight, YouTube. Good work. Good work, Susan. You've got everything, all your ducks in a row. You stupid idiot. God. I'm dumb for not noticing it was running. That's my fault. 1000%. That is my fault. I should have closed down the thing. That's not what I'm mad about. I'm mad about them not uploading my video that they said. Hey, if I stream on YouTube, it should go directly to my channel, not to some mystery vault that I can't find. I'm pretty sure that's not how YouTube. Pretty sure that's not how it works. I'm checking right now to see if it's up there to see if my complaints are valid. No, it's still not. The last HR, and it's not supposed to be this, it's supposed to be HR 1865. Let me edit that really quick. So, my last video where I actually read the entire text of the law is still not up on my channel, but the thing where I accidentally streamed for a few minutes, it directly gone to my... I don't know. I don't get it. I'm just kind of mad that... Whatever. The 115th Congress of the United States of America. I wouldn't be reading this again if YouTube wasn't terrible at their jobs. At the second session begun and held at the city of Washington on Wednesday, the 3rd of January, 2018. Again, I wouldn't be reading that for a second time if YouTube could get their upload system figured out. Hey, YouTube, I know you don't notify my subscribers in the subscriber box. Don't stop lying to us about that. We know you're liars. Stop. Just admit that you're garbage. And then say, look, we're doing our best we can. It's a big platform. We're trying to keep a lot of trash heated here, alright? We're accepting of that. To amend the Communications Act of 1934 to clarify that Section 230 of such act does not prohibit the enforcement against providers and users of interactive computer services of the federal, state, criminal, and civil law relating to sexual exploitation of children or sex trafficking. And for other purposes. Yeah, I really wanted to read this law again because it's such a great law to read. Thanks, YouTube. Thanks, YouTube. You're not just terrible, not just horrible. You're not even gonna. Now you're not even gonna just release my videos. You're just straight not releasing my videos. Not much less not releasing them to my subscribers. You're just not releasing them. Thanks. Being enacted by the Senate and House of Representatives of the United States of America in Congress assembled Section 1, short title. This act may be cited Allow the states and victims to fight online sex trafficking Act of 2017. Section 2, sense of Congress. It is in the sense of Congress that Section 1 of 230 Act of the Section 230 Communications Act of 1934, 47 U.S.C. 230, commonly known as the Communications Decency Act of 1996, was never to intend to provide legal protection to websites that unlawfully promote and facilitate prostitution and websites that facilitate traffickers in advertising the sale of unlawful sex acts with sex trafficking victims. The websites that promote and facilitate prostitution have been reckless in allowing the sale of sex trafficking victims and have done nothing to prevent the trafficking of children and victims of force, fraud, and coercion. And clarification of such section is warranted to ensure that the section does not provide such protection to such websites. Now, I wasn't going to roast when I did my other live stream that's supposed to be online, but it isn't, because YouTube can't do their job. I roasted how they put this on a fake parchment. Look at this fake parchment, guys. We're going to entrust the people who understand so little about the internet that they put their bills on fake parchment with fake old-timey letterings on it. Come on. We're going to let these people modify our internet law? You think that it makes it more official when you put it on a fake parchment and you put old-timey style words on it. That's how stupid you are. I don't want you running anything of my internet. This act may be cited as the Allow States and Victims Act to Fight Online Sex Trafficking of 2017. Section 1, the short title. Being enacted by the Senate and the House of Representatives of the United States of America and Congress assembled. Section 1, short title. This act may be cited. They should add Section 2. YouTube can't do their damn job. You said may be cited allowing the states and victims to fight online sex trafficking of 2017. Section 2, sense of Congress. In the sense of Congress that... I already read that. And Great. I'm actually just frustrated right now that I did this. I did this already. I've already done this whole thing. Whatever, man. Let's get through it. Fucking YouTube. Hey, Susan, do your job. Websites that promote and facilitate prostitution have been reckless in allowing the sales of sex trafficking victims have done nothing. No, Section 230, websites that promote and facilitate prostitution have been reckless in allowing the sale of sex trafficking victims have done nothing to prevent the trafficking in children and victims of fraud and coercion. And clarification of such section is warranted to ensure that section does not provide such protection of websites. Section 3, promoting prostitution and reckless disregard of sex trafficking. A, promotion of prostitution, Chapter 117 of Title 18, United States Code is amended by inserting after Section 2421 the following. Susan Wojcicki can't do her job. Subsection 2421A, promotion and facilitation of prostitution in disregard of sex trafficking. The people at YouTube don't know how to upload videos even though they're YouTube. A, in general, whoever using a facility or means of the interstate or foreign commerce in or affecting interstate or foreign commerce owns, manages, or operates interactive computer services, or such term defined in Section 2030F, the Communications Act of 1934 is 47 U.S.C. 230 Part F, or conspiracies attempt to do so with the intent to promote or facilitate prostitution of another person shall be fined under this title imprisoned for not more than 10 years or both. B, aggravated violation. Whoever using a facility or means of interstate or foreign commerce in affecting interstate or foreign commerce owns, manages, or operates an interactive computer service such as terms defined in Section 230F Communications Act of 1934, or conspiracies to attempt to do so with the intent to promote prostitution of another person and promotes a facilitation to prostitution of 5 or more persons. Who is texting me, please? Alright. Acts in reckless disregard of the fact such conduct contributed to sex act trafficking in violation of 1591. YouTube not uploading my video contributed to sex trafficking shall be fined under this. Oh, great. Yeah, the only reason we're here. Under this title, imprisoned for more than not 25 years or both. C. Civil recovery. Any persons injured by a person of a violation of subsection 2421A. B. May recover damages and reasonable attorney fees in an action before any appropriate United States District Court. There's not nearly as much commentary on it because I'm just kind of annoyed right now. To get to here, it took me about 15 minutes last time because all the commentary I was doing. The commentary I have right now is, hey, you already know what it is. Mandatory restitution. No. We'll do shall be fined on this title and imprisoned for not more than 25 years or both. C. Civil recovery. Any person injured by a reason of violation of section 2421A. B. May recover damages and reasonable attorney fees in action before any appropriate United States District Court. Mandatory restitution, notwithstanding sections 3063, 3063A, in addition to any other civil criminal penalties authorized by law. The court shall order restitution for any violation of subsection B2. The scope and nature of such restitution shall be consistent with section 2327B. Affirmative defense. It shall be an affirmative defense to charge of violating it shall be an affirmative defense to charge of violating section A or subsection B1 where the defendant proves by preponderance of evidence that the promotion of or facilitation of prostitution is legal in the jurisdiction where the facilitation was targeted. B. Table of contents. The table of contents for such chapter is amended by inserting the item relating to section 2421 the following. 2421A, promotion or facilitation of prostitution and reckless disregard of sex trafficking. We're almost there, guys. This took me 20 minutes last time because, well, never mind why it took me 20 minutes last time while I'm reading it so fast now. We'll just forget that because you already know. Section 4, ensuring ability to enforce federal and state criminal and civil law relating to sex trafficking. A. In general, 230E, Section Communications Act of 1934, 47 U.S.C. 230 Part E is amended by adding the following. Hey, YouTube, do your job. No effect on sex trafficking law. Nothing in this section other than subsection C2A shall be construed or to impair or limit any civil claim brought under Section 1595, Title 18, United States Code, if the conduct underlying the claim constitutes a violation of Section 1591 of that title. B. Any charge in a criminal prosecution brought under the state law that, if conducted underlying the charge, would constitute a violation of Section 1591 of Title 18, United States Code. Or C. Any charge in a criminal prosecution brought under the state law if the conduct underlying the charge would constitute a violation of Section 2421A, Title 18, United States Code, and promotion of facilitation of prostitution is illegal in the jurisdiction where the defendant's promotion or facilitation of prostitution was targeted. Effective date. The amendments made by this section shall take effect on the date of the enactment of this act, and the amendment shall be made by a subsection shall apply regardless of whether this conduct occurred or is to allege to have occurred before or on after such date. Section 5, ensuring federal liability for publishing information designed to facilitate sex trafficking or otherwise facilitating sex trafficking. Section 1591 of Title 18 United States Code is amended by redesignating paragraphs 4 and 5 in paragraphs 5 and 6 respectively, and by inserting after paragraph 3 the following. For the term participation 4 or 5 as paragraphs 5 and 6. The participation in a venture means knowingly assisting, supporting, or facilitating violation of subsection A1, Section 6, actions by state attorney generals, and A in general, Section 1595, Title 18 United States Code is amended by adding the end to the following. D, in any case which the Attorney General of a state has reason to believe that the interest of the residents of the state has been or is threatened by or adversely affected by any person who violates Section 1591, the Attorney General of the state, as parents praetae, parents of the state, may bring a civil action against such person on behalf of the residents of the state, and it is an appropriate district court of the United States to obtain an appropriate debrief. Technical and conforming amendments, Section 1595, Title 18 United States Code is amended in subsection B1 by striking this section and inserting subsection A, and in subsection C is in the matter preceding paragraph 1 by striking this section and inserting subsection A. Section 7, saving clause. Section 7, YouTube can't upload videos. Why is a stream that I held live on a website? Let's go see if it's actually up now. Hold on. We're seeing if my... Oh, you know what? It did make it up. My bad. Well, let's go watch it and see how it is. Oh, I can't hear anything. Why can't I hear myself? Well, I guess I'm glad that YouTube... I thought YouTube was jerking me around on that one. Turns out I'm just a dummy, and I have zero patience, and it turns out the last vlog just took forever to upload. So, yeah, I'm just dumb. I'm just a dum-dum. I'm just a big old stupid face. I should have been not nearly as mad, but I saw a video that I had uploaded, I don't know, a good 10 minutes after I'd finished this, and that got up first, and I was like, what? I was kind of mad. A little mad. But that's mainly because I'm stupid. I'm a big old dumbhead. Whatever. Turns out I'm dumb. Nothing new there. Nothing new discovered there. I'm an idiot. Nothing in this act or the amendments. YouTube actually can totally do their job. I just need more patience in life. Shall be construed to limit or preempt any civil action or criminal... The thing is that it usually lists as a potential upload, but it wasn't even listing as uploading. It just wasn't there. I just couldn't find it. And with my uploads, it usually is like listing, like, no, we're processing this, but it was just not there. It wasn't anywhere on my channel. It wasn't in my to-be uploads. It wasn't in the processing. Nothing. It wasn't there. That's why I was like, what? That's why I just got mad. I was like, God. No, my fault. My bad. But I am glad I got to do this again, because it turns out last time there was no audio on it. So, y'all didn't hear any of the commentary, and we'll put that at the end, because I'm the stupid idiot here, which, like I said, nothing new there. Filed before or after the date, before the date of this enactment, act was not such limited or preempted to Section 230 Communications Act, 1934, 47 U.S.C. 230, as such section was in effect on the date of this act. Gall study. On the date that is 3 years after the date of enactment of this act, Computer General of the United States shall conduct a study, submit to the committees of the Judiciary, House and Representatives, and State, and the Senate, the Committee of Homeland Security, House of Representatives, and the Committee of Homeland Security, General Affairs of the Senate, and a report which includes the following: information on each civil action brought pursuant to subsection 2421A of Title 18 United States Code that has resulted in an award of damages, included the amount claimed, or the nature of description of the losses claimed to support the amount claimed, losses proven, and the nature of the description of the losses proven to support the amount rewarded. Information on each civil action brought pursuant to Section 2421A of Title 18 United States Code that did not result in an award of damages, including the amount claimed that were, and the nature, description of the losses claimed to support the amount, and whether the cause was dismissed, and if the cause was dismissed, information describing the reasonable reason for dismissal, information on each order restitution entered pursuant to subsection 2421A Title 18 United States Code, including whether the defendant was a corporation or an individual, the amount requested by the government, justification of calculation of amount requested is if restitution was requested, and the amount ordered by the court and the justification for calculation of the amount ordered. Basically, we'll get that in a second. For each defendant convicted of violating Section 2421A of Title 18 United States Code, there was not ordered to pay restitution, whether the defendant was a corporation or individual, the amount requested by the government, if restitution was requested, and information describing the reason the court did not request restitution. Attest Speaker of the House of Representatives. Attest Mike Pence, Vice President of the United States and President of the Senate. So let's get into the actual commentary here, because it turns out I'm just a stupid idiot who has zero patience. No news there. Zero news. Zero news there at all. Like, nothing new. Besides, no news on the front, I'm dumb. Nothing there, no news. These people, they think it's a great idea to post an act that has a fake vellum on it, because that makes you think like you're not out of touch. That makes you seem like you're not completely out of touch, except for the fact that you are completely out of touch. And yeah, I don't know, man. Why did they pass laws like this in the first place? It seems like to me they're really just cracking down on forms I read. Like, yeah, it's gonna stop hiring random dudes from picking up hookers off Backpage, but right now it's just busting down on the forms I read, and there's no trafficking happening there. We're just a bunch of nerds talking about video games. And, yeah. I don't trust the people who barely understand the internet to fix the internet. That's about it. It's about the size of it, man. These people barely understand the internet, and yet they want to fix it. It's like, it's like me trying to make rules about football. I know nothing about football, so I'm not going to try to make any regulations for it. Later.